Hey, what's up everybody? So, I just shipped out a few items today for eBay, and I just want to talk about what I sold recently. So I ended up selling Hallmark ornament and then 2 DVDs. First DVD was actually something I sent into Amazon. This is probably like a year and a half ago or something, and I had it priced pretty high. Just sending it back to me because it was going to be some long-term storage fees. I was going to get a lot of fees that I really didn't need to get, so I ended up listing it on eBay. Had it listed for like $4 or $5 and had it listed for a few months, so I decreased the price and they ended up offering me like $2 or $3 for it. So I sold it. Not a great money maker, but it's something I'm gonna get a couple dollars for it after all the fees and stuff. And listing it took no time at all. Pictures took no time at all. It's just a DVD. So $2 for really like nothing. I was just gonna pretty much take it to an auction and get 20 cents for it or something. So that's about it for that one. Next one is the Hallmark ornament. This is something that my parents kind of gave me because I was looking for stuff to list, and they have just tons and tons of stuff that they're never going to get to list because they keep buying stuff. So I pretty much listed a whole bunch of them, and a lot of them I just took pictures of everything and I didn't look it up beforehand, so I just listed all of them individually. And I would bet I probably listed this one for like $4 or $5 plus $3 shipping, and it sold for like two something. So another one I'm not going to make a lot of money off of, but it really didn't take any time to list it and absolutely zero time to ship it. I just put it into a padded mailer and shipped it out. That's what I did with all 3 of these items that I sold. So didn't really take any time at all to ship this stuff. So I made like $2 on that one. And then the last item was another DVD, and this was a Boy Meets World season. It was one of the seasons of Boy Meets World. I picked it up at Goodwill for like $3, $2 or $3, and I was gonna list it on Amazon, but I believe when I got home, either the rank was too high or I was restricted. For some reason I just listed it on eBay, and I ended up selling it for $6. Yeah, I sold it for, I believe I had it listed for $9, and somebody offered me $6, and I went ahead and took it. So sold it for $6 plus like $3 shipping. So not very good sales, but most of my items are low dollar items, so that's what it's gonna be. I just list everything individually and then try to make up for it in volume, and I haven't really been selling a whole lot. So that's like $10 in sales pretty much. Not great at all, but it's something. It's better than nothing. And I haven't really spent that much time on eBay in the past few weeks, so that $10 really took no effort to do, and that's really it. I mean, not great sales. Haven't really been selling a whole lot of stuff on eBay. I actually been selling quite a bit on Amazon once I got this new repricer set up. It's starting to get me to compete a little bit better with prices, and starting to sell a little bit more on Amazon because of that.